we are set to open the 2023 NFL season. He's just quicker than everybody else is.
Hey, hats off to Sean Payton and Vance Joseph for shoring up this defense. Now they're playing as well as anybody.
And the rookie Marvin Mims. This is a huge win for Sean Payton and the Denver Broncos as they have beaten the world champions here in Denver, breaking a 16-game losing streak. The Broncos can celebrate because they have come to Buffalo and upset the Bills. Russ throws the ball to the end zone. It is caught! Touchdown, Denver!
Talk to him, Matt! Talk to him, Matt!
Samaje Perine is a runaway beer truck, and the ball is loose, and I think the Broncos have it at the 20-yard line. DJ Jones. Humphrey spins away, breaks a tackle, breaks another tackle. Here we go, 20, little Jordan Humphrey, 15, 10, 5. But this has been one of the craziest turnarounds within a season as I've ever seen.